Blackburn Social Club. God bless America. I'm out back behind, I guess I'm under the lean-to behind the building. And I'm working on the pad for the mini split. I was thinking about buying one of those pre-made ones. Saw a lot of bad reviews about how flimsy they were. Thought about pouring it myself, just didn't feel like going that route. This is a hybrid approach. I've got some black pavers, and what I've done is created a base here. I've got some fine gravel and then some paver sand, and I've stamped it in. I'm about to go get the pavers and set them in, and then what I want to do is space them and put Quikrete in the gaps to see if I can't lock it all in. We'll see how it goes. Y'all be blessed. Talk soon.